Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka Vatican kala pentikana ba ka jingnet on tap ya Pope Francis kanong hakasni pale arpsan drek uya yong arhajar arpsan hakapor khandai steng am. Por Vatican shiba GPM Indian Standard Time St. Peter Square palapanya do Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re Udin jongka College of Cardinal. Kijingtip bakongsan. Kaporpet pat ba ban sngolam ya kamet jungu onbu St. Peter Basilica naru kasngi balang arpu artrik uya yong kaba ailat ya kinonglet jinglet ban ai buram khatdu ya upom. Ka Vatican ka kmilanti da kimilian ki pat ba kinpoi. Bat ki bor sarkar ka Italy bat ka Rome kinang penjur ya kilat jingeda. Ka jakatem penban persha ya ka riti dostur Khambun ki pop ki shatep haki krem jung Petrus bakun. Francis ulapan ya ka jungtep ka basung. Haga Basilica jong ka Maria bakut jong ka Rome. Haga ba ujuduai hakmat kadur jong Salus Populi Romani. Kiriu dan buram jong ka perthai ki balawan. Lakmi lenti palat shispa ngut kinong yalam perthai. Kentup ya Vice President J.D. Vance. Ubayalam ya ka kenhun jong kinong Amerika. President ka Argentina Javier Milei ka retry jong Francis kindan lang. Usim Charles III but usim William UK President ka France urang ba ka Brazil. Kapor jong ka jingyalang ba banjit pop thamai Sistine Chapel conclave kansdang how ar Frederick uyayong ha ka ba shispa khat nyungut ki cardinal kin thep von. Funeral arrangements for Pope Francis. The Vatican has confirmed that Pope Francis' funeral will be held on Friday, April 25, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Vatican time, 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time, in St. Peter Square, presided over by Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re, the Dean of the College of Cardinals. Key details: public viewing and mourning period. His body will lie in state in St. Peter's Basilica from Tuesday, April 22nd, allowing pilgrims to pay their respects. The Vatican expects millions of mourners, with Italy and Rome increasing security measures. Burial location. Contrary to tradition, most popes are buried in St. Peter's grottos. Francis requested a simple burial in Rome's Basilica of St. Mary Major, where he often prayed before the icon of Salus Populi Romani. Global dignitaries attending, over 100 world leaders are expected, including U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance leading the American delegation, Argentina's President Javier Milei, France's home country, King Charles III and Prince William, United Kingdom, French President Emmanuel Macron, Brazil President Lula da Silva. Conclave timeline. The Sistine Chapel conclave to elect a new pope will begin April 28 with 117 cardinals voting.